Hello student, today we will do question number 10 and 11 from exercise 5.3 NCERT Math Boost class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 10. Question number 10 is so that this form an AP where n is defined as follow 10 1. N is equal to given 3 plus 4n. So first we'll find a1 means a1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1 means 7. a2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2 is equal to 4 to 8, 8 to 11. a3 is equal to 3 plus, put value of n here, 3, 4, 3, 12, 12, 3, 15, like that. So here we see that a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to, means a2 minus 7, 11 minus 7, 4, and a3 15 minus 11, 4. So this is means 4 is a difference, common difference. So this is forming so that this forms I follow, so that this forms an AP. So this is in AP. Yes. So this is in AP. Prove this is, and we have to find the sum of the first 15 terms. Means S15. S15 will be n by 2, means n is 15 by 2 into 2a. A is here 7. 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1. 14 into d. D is 4. So 4 is equal to 15 by 2. This is 14 plus 56 is equal to 15 by 2. This is 70. This is 35 is equal to 525. This is, now see question number 2. an is equal to 9. an is equal to 9 minus 5n. Now see a1 is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. a2 is 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. a3 is 9 minus 5, 3, 15 means minus 6. a4 9 minus 20 is equal to minus 11. So This is, now we will see this is in AP or not. So A2 minus A2 A2 minus A1. If you will subtract this, so minus 1 and minus 4, minus 5 we will get. A3 minus A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. We are getting here minus 5. So this is in AP because if you are subtracting any term with previous terms, we are getting the same result, that is common difference. So D, this will be D. Now we will find S15. So this is in AP because all are different, same. Now S15 will be then 15 by 2. First 2a. 2a is here 4, so 2 4 8 plus 14 into D. Using formula S is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. D is here minus 5. It's equal to then 15 by 2, 8 minus 70. This is 15 by 2 into minus 62. This is minus 31. 15, 53 of 45 and 46 minus 465. This is answer. Now see question number. Question number 11. If the sum of the first n terms of AP is 4n minus n square, see question number 11. 11 is if the sum of the first n terms, its Sn is given 4n minus n square. What is the first term? So first term means S1. First term will be S1. We put value of n here 1. 4 into 1 minus 1 means 3. S1 is equal to 3. What is the sum of the first two terms? So S2 will be then first two terms. Put value of n here 2 minus 2 square is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 should be S2. What is the sum of the first two terms? What is the second terms? So second term will be then S2 minus S1. This is, so here we will get S2 is 4 minus 3. So second term is, what is the second term? Second term is equal to this. Second term is equal to this 1. And what is, similarly find the third. So third term is A3 will be then S3 minus S2. So S3 will find first. S3 will be then 4 into 3 minus 3 square and minus S2. S2 is given 4, so we'll subtract 4. So this will be 12 minus 9 minus 4 equal to 12 minus 13. Minus 1. Now we will find third term and 10th term. So S 10th, A 10th term. A10 is equal to S10, means sum up to 10th term and minus sum up to 9th term. That will, you will get A10. So that will be then put value S10 is equal to 4 into 10 minus 10 square minus 9. 4 into 9 minus 9 square. This is equal to 40 minus 100 minus 36 minus 81. This is minus 60 minus 60 minus plus 5 4 45. This will be then minus 15 minus 15. This is 18. Will be minus 15, and we have to find nth terms. So nth term we will find by term means an is equal to then Sn and minus Sn minus 1. Beware of that. So this will be Sn is given. Sn is 4n minus n square minus Sn minus 1. This will be then 4 into n minus 1 and minus n minus 1 square n minus 1 square. This is, now if you will solve this, 4n minus n square minus, and this will be 4n minus 4, and this will be on a minus b whole square formula. So n square minus 2n plus 1. Now it means 4n minus n square minus 4n minus 4 minus n square plus 2n minus 1. This will be, if you remove this 4n and this 2n will be 6n, and we will remove the bracket. So 4n minus n square minus 4n plus 4 plus n square minus 2n plus minus 2n plus 1. So if we solve this, 4n and 4n will cut, n square and n square will cut, then 5 minus 2n. 5, this will be 5 minus 2n. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.